In Burundi, a wedding, ubugeni, is the heartbeat of our culture. It brings together not just two people but two families and whole communities. It means a new home is being made, and this brings pride and hope to everyone involved. Marriage is seen as a duty to those who came before us and to those who will come after. It's a way to keep family lines and traditions going. Older people play a very important part. They share their wisdom and give their blessing, making sure the marriage is good and respected. The ceremony is full of special actions and symbols. Each one shows how important family, the support system built around the couple, makes sure they are never alone when facing tough times in life. For young Burundians, these traditions are a living link to their past and their values. A Burundian wedding is a lively celebration of love, respect, and being together. It really is the heartbeat of our society. It's through these events that our culture's deepest values are passed down. The journey to a Burundian wedding starts with Gusaba, the formal way of asking for the bride's hand. This is led by respected older people called abashingantahe. These talks are about building bridges, not meal and traditional sorghum beer, umpeke, ready. Preparations are done together with relatives and friends, bringing the whole community into the celebration. Young women, songs and dances are practiced, building excitement and togetherness. The whole process shows how Burundians stick together and share joy. Every step, from talking things over, community celebration. The wedding day, Umusi Wubugeni, is full of bright colors, music, and old customs. The groom makes her big entrance, celebrated by everyone. Older people from both families give blessings and advice, sharing wisdom and old sayings for a strong marriage. The couple drinks from a special gourd, agakuma, sealing their promise to be together and share life's journey. The ceremony then turns into ibirori, a lively party with drumming, dancing, and lots of food. The community joins in, sharing the couple's happiness late into the night. The day ends with the bride saying a sad goodbye to her family as she starts her new life. Every special action, from the dowry to the last dance, shows how important respect, togetherness, and family are. The wedding is both a serious promise and a happy party. It's a day when old customs and celebration mix perfectly. The whole community watches and supports the couple's new start. A Burundian wedding is a time of many social get-togethers, not just one day. Families visit each other formally, building trust and getting to know each other through shared marriage, how to run a home, and how to be strong, getting her ready for her new life. The groom, too, gets ready with friends and older people, learning about what he needs to do as a husband. These gatherings are chances for both families to make the new family's place in the community stronger. The wedding season is a living example of Burundian togetherness and support. Every special action in a Burundian wedding has a deep meaning. Gusaba, the act of asking, is about respect and being humble, setting the mood for the marriage. The dowry, inkwano, stands for life, thanks, and a lasting bond between families, not a sale. Cows mean food and keeping things going, a promise to take care of the bride. Sharing additional gifts like ibisiki baskets mean trust and the sacredness of the new home. The colorful imvutano clothes show joy and good fortune. Every part, from the older people's speeches to the drumming, shows respect, community, and family. These traditions are living lessons, not just empty actions. They turn a wedding into a deep cultural experience. The symbols guide both the couple and the community. Through these actions, the values of Burundian society are celebrated and kept alive. Knowing key Kirundi words helps you understand the heart of Burundian weddings. Ubugeni, meaning marriage, talks about careful planning and being together. The bride, umugeni, and groom, umukwe, are helped by abashingantahe, older people whose wisdom makes the marriage proper. The umushingira, a skilled talker, speaks for the groom's family during discussions. Inkwano, the dowry, is about thanks and friendship, not buying something. Ingamu, gifts for the bride's new home, mean providing and supporting. Umpeke, traditional sorghum beer, means being welcoming and sharing joy. Important values are shown in words like urukundo, love, iteka, heritage. Using Kirundi words, a Burundian wedding is a powerful event that brings the whole community together. From the first talks to the final party, every step builds strong bonds of support and love. The involvement of families, older people, and neighbors makes sure the couple is never alone. Traditions like inkwano and the shared gourd are living lessons in connect the past, present, and future, grounding the community in shared values. For young Burundians, weddings are a very important link to their culture and feeling like they belong. By holding on to these traditions, we pass on wisdom and togetherness to future generations. The wedding is a public way to say that we are one family, responsible for each other's happiness. It makes social ties stronger and creates new friendships, making our culture strong. Truly, a Burundian wedding is a bond that holds the entire community together.